Another high-profile case is set to enter its final stage tomorrow morning. That is when Maxwell Anderson will be sentenced for killing and dismembering Sade Robinson. In new court documents, some of Anderson's family members wrote letters to the judge on his behalf, and his attorney shared more about how Anderson is faring in jail. CBS 58's Adam Reif is here with more on what we're learning tonight. Adam.
Well, Natalie, the sentencing memorandum Anderson's attorney filed today is the first we've heard Anderson in his own words since he was convicted of 4 felony counts for the murder of Sade Robinson. Anderson will get a mandatory life sentence for the felony homicide charge. The only question now is if the judge will allow for the possibility of parole at some point decades from now. The gravity of the offense is unquestioned and the loss immeasurable, according to Maxwell Anderson's defense attorney, Anthony Cotton. Cotton is asking Judge Laura Crivello for the possibility of parole after Anderson serves 25 years in prison. Cotton wrote, "The purpose of parole eligibility is not to forgive the offense. It is to leave open the door to meaningful transformation." In a pre-sentencing interview, Anderson became emotional when asked about Sade Robinson's family. He said he respected the immense loss the family must feel, and he said that he understood their hatred toward him, however misplaced that might be. Anderson maintains he did not commit the crimes he was convicted of. In jail since April of 2024, he's experienced the psychological toll of extended isolation. There have been incidents, including episodes reflecting mental and emotional stress. His mother, sister, and cousin wrote letters to the judge describing his character. His mother believes Anderson is capable of structure, productivity, and growth, especially where mental health treatment and education opportunities are available. The memo says Anderson's family remains unwavering in their support. Cotton said parole creates no promises. Decades from now, it would allow Anderson to be evaluated based on who he has become, not who he was at the time of these events. Cotton said to categorically deny that possibility now is to conclude that he is beyond all hope, a judgment we respectfully ask the court not to make. In addition to the mandatory life sentence for the homicide count, Maxwell Anderson will also be sentenced for dismembering and then hiding a body and for burning Sade Robinson's car. That sentencing is scheduled for 8:30 tomorrow morning. Natalie will have full coverage tomorrow, of course.
The end of a very long investigation. Adam Reif live in the studio tonight. Thank you very much.